Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You will start by confirming Python 3, 8 or newer and installing required libraries. This saves friction later. Once done, run pip install QR code pillow so the QR code package and imaging backend are ready. Next, choose what you will encode, a URL, vcard, Wi-Fi config, or plain text, because that affects length and error correction. Now open your IDE and create a new script file. You are ready to import QR code and begin building the QR object. You will construct a QR code instance and set parameters for size and resilience. Use QR code, version equals none, error correction equals QR code. Constants, error correct m, box size equals 10, border equals 4, so the library chooses version automatically while keeping medium error correction. Then add your payload with QR. Add data, and call QR. Make fit equals true to pack modules efficiently. Once packed, generate an image using QR. Make image, fill color equals black, back color equals white, and save with image. Save QR code. PNG, this produces a standard scannable PNG. You will finalize by tuning aesthetics and robustness. To improve reliability on printed or decorative codes, increase error correction to error correct H and pick larger box size. For logos, use SVG export via QR code. Image, SVG. SVG image for lossless scaling. Make sure to set high contrast colors and at least a 4-module border. If scanning fails, reduce payload length, increase error correction, or enlarge the image. Also verify the camera focuses and light.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.